is 200 and the metric number is 201405. So my topic today is how the COVID-19 affects the demand. So COVID-19 broke in Malaysia in March, and a few months of the shutdown of the company has caused many small and medium-sized factories to face the closure. So that really made the economy worse. So in this article, I will analyze the impacts of the COVID-19 on the economy from the consumer side. So firstly, let's introduce the CPI. So by comparing the CPI, we can know the price changes in this year and the same period for last year. So how does the price changes affect the demand? We can use the knowledge from the chapter 4 to analyze this. So uh, as we can see, the price of the transport is much lower, and by combining the number that's relevant to the transport, we can drive the price consumption curve, and then so the price consumption curve of transport, and we can we can derive its demand curve. So let's use the transport and the alcohol beverage, because the alcohol beverage is the price of alcohol beverage is nearly unchanged these years. So and then we drive the price consumption curve. Let the price of alcohol beverage constant and the transport the price of becomes smaller, and we draw it. Then we can derive its demand curve. So its demand curve of the transporter is inelastic, and as we all know, a fall in the price of one good will have two effects: is the income effect and the substitution effect. So let's analyze that. So the substitution effect (FEE) changes the relative prices of transport and alcohol beverage, but keeps the real income constant, and the income effect EF2 keeps the relative price constant, but increasing the purchasing power. So we can see that the transport in this special period, the transport become an inferior good. So let's get back to the demand curve that we derived at last page. So we can get a guess that is maybe the demand curve of inferior good is inelastic. So I hope the COVID-19 goes away as soon as possible, and hopefully you are safety. That's all. Thank you.